Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional blog on HubSpot in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a beginner or looking to grow your online presence, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your blog up and running. Let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account and navigate to your marketing dashboard. From there, select Website, then click on Blog. This is your central hub for all blog-related activities. Next, it's time to create your first blog. Click Create Blog. HubSpot will prompt you to choose a blog type. You can pick either website blog or knowledge base, depending on your goals. For most content creators, a website blog is perfect. Now, name your blog. Keep it clear, concise, and relevant to your niche, because this name will appear in your URL and influence SEO. After naming, select a blog template. HubSpot offers various pre-designed templates, so choose one that matches your brand style. You can customize it later with colors, fonts, and layout. Once your template is selected, it's time to create your first post. Click Create Post, enter a catchy title, and start writing your content in HubSpot's editor. The editor is intuitive, letting you add images, videos, call-to-action buttons, and even SEO-friendly headings. Before publishing, make sure to optimize your blog post. Add meta descriptions, focus keywords, and internal links to other pages on your website. HubSpot also offers a built-in SEO tool that gives real-time suggestions to improve your post's search visibility. When everything looks perfect, click Publish. HubSpot gives you the option to schedule your post for a later date, which is ideal for maintaining a consistent publishing schedule. And that's it. Your blog is live and ready to attract readers. From here, you can continue adding posts, monitor analytics to see what content performs best, and tweak your strategy to grow your audience. Creating a blog on HubSpot is that simple. With just a few steps, you can share your ideas, build your brand, and connect with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.